Yeah, pull out on the right, camp kitchen. Full extension drawer slides, locking. Got our water here, got it turned upside down so it doesn't leak, but flip that around, got water. Got our burner pull out here, propane tank attaches underneath. And then camp box, chuck box, got everything. Some torch there for lighting our fires, got all of our bamboo ware, miscellaneous stuff, smaller stuff like that, plates and cups, all your spices. This kind of folds down to get out of the way, which is nice. Got a pot holder, our pots, got our cups hanging, tin foil, cutting board in there, spatulas and stuff like that. Got some whiskey hidden back there, of course. And then here in the kind of in the pantry, got bread, more cups, some good coffee grinder in case we don't have pre-ground stuff. These things are great to fill the small propane bottles. Pour over coffee filters, wet ones, clean your hands, all the good stuff. Of course, you need some paper towel. And then cooler, everything you need. Nice little plastic egg carton, doesn't get wet. You got all the ice, but like these trays here, help organize your stuff. Surprisingly, we got some beer left. This is locking, so just push down and pushing really nice. It's nice flat ground, so not too hard. Second one, of course, we got the Gunner kennel for the dogs. Keep them safe. Got the collapsible fire pit strapped to the side here. Some old chairs. Leveling blocks in case you're not on flat ground. Nice little folding chairs here. Got the grill and griddle in there. Collapsible bucket. And the old laundry basket with firewood. And lots of extra water here. So, that's what we got back here. Of course, they lock in